Hey everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing sugar cookies. They're so soft and chewy and have a beautiful little sugar crust on top. Can't wait to share it with you. So let's get started. With a half a cup of unsalted butter here in my bowl, I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of sugar and give this a blend till it's nice and fluffy. Then I'm going to add 1 whole egg plus a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and give that another blend. I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. And I'm gonna blend this together until it's just combined. Next, I'm going to divide my cookie dough up into 10 cookies and roll them into little balls. Then I'm going to pop them in a little container here. I've got some sugar and I'm just going to roll them around and give them a nice coat. Next step, I'm going to pop these in the freezer for about 20 minutes on the pan. And then I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. I'm going to bake these for 11 minutes and I'm going to turn the tray halfway through. I hope you get a chance to try out this recipe. And if you enjoyed it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I post every Friday. Thanks for watching.